story to tell, every single one of us.
So, you think your life is boring, huh? You wake up, you go to work, you come back, you watch TV, you sleep, day after day. Well, maybe it is boring, but it is only boring to you. From the wealthiest billionaire to the homeless person sleeping on the streets, life itself is a story.
If you feel like no one cares, that's okay. Start telling the story that no one else will. Your own. Film how boring your life is. I dare you.
Look around. The mundane moments you think are forgettable are the ones people connect with. The moments that feel repetitive or dull, they're real. They're human.
The key isn't about living an extraordinary life. It's about capturing ordinary in the interesting way. It's called filmmaking. And guess what? This very platform we're on right now, YouTube, is filled with free lessons how to do just that.
Lightning, angles, editing, storytelling. You don't need expensive equipment or a Hollywood budget. Just need to learn the basics. Film literally anything and throw some creativity on top of it and put it into a context. Like this little toy car of mine or an Infinity TV shop in the beginning of this video. Everyone's life is interesting. The secret is perspective. If you have a smartphone with internet access in your pocket, your only limit is your own imagination. Everything around you is content. You can turn every moment into a movie shot. Tell your tale through your lens. Our world is a filmmaker's playground. It's filled with interesting stuff. With camera in your pocket and mountains of free knowledge at your fingertips, it's a wonderland.